The Anglo Norwegian Fisheries Case. In this case, there was a dispute between Great Britain and Norway about Norway's maritime border in the North Sea. British fishing ships have been fishing in waters which Norway claimed as their own. Norway claimed all the waters within 4 nautical miles from its baseline. In 1935, Norway enacted a decree by which it reserved certain fishing grounds situated off its northern coast for the exclusive use of its own fishermen. Britain argued that the baseline should be understood to be the lowest water level and there must be some largest length of the direct baseline. Britain suggested 1 mile length. According to Britain, the whole of the fisheries zone to be in possession of Norway would be illegal. Those parts should be treated as inseparable parts of the ocean and should remain open for all the countries for fishing. Britain again requested the court that it should again fix the limits of the fisheries zone up to where Norway would have its monopoly. Britain also demanded damages, which it had suffered due to such interference. Norway presented the argument that his monopoly had been for the last 60 years regularly and Britain had never interfered during this period. The coast being most inundated, it was more easy, proper, and legal to draw direct baseline. Norway also alleged that both parties had agreed that it would be proper not to adopt high water mark but to adopt the low water mark issue, whether or not the decree which laid down a method for drawing the baselines from which the width of the Norwegian territorial waters had to be calculated was valid international law. The court did not admit the argument of Britain that most of the countries who took part in the Hague Conference held in 1930 had admitted by majority votes the 1 mile rule, and it had become a part of the international law. The court said that the low water mark was measured not from the mainland but from the bays and islands. On December 18, 1951, the International Court of Justice decided that Norway's claims to the waters were consistent with international laws concerning the ownership of local sea space. The court found that neither the method employed for the delimitation by the decree nor the lines themselves fixed by the said decree are contrary to international law.